Hey, so as some of you know, I have recently purchased or ordered a Langmuir Systems Crossfire Pro. Anyways, that's going to be coming in and I don't have enough room in the shop. So, it's what I got to do. I got to make some room. So, the plan here is I've got this workbench here and it's huge. And so we got to cut it down to size a little bit. So, my plan is I'm going to cut this like in half, and then I bought some wheels, casters to put on the ground, because I found if it has wheels, it's way easier to manage inside of a shop. So I've started to put wheels on everything. I got wheels on the belt grinder stand. My welding table right here has wheels on it. So a couple more things that I want to get wheels on is going to be that. I bought some casters and I got some casters for this guy right here. Now this, I might have to make some new plates and stuff once my CNC plasma cutter arrives, so that's going to be something we do later. Today my project, get this cleaned up and cut in half and some casters welded on it. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so there you have it. Now, I did lose battery power a couple times, so there might be a little bit of missing footage, but let's go ahead and take a look at the finished product. Alright, so there we have it. This has ended up being, instead of 48 inches wide, I did 28 or 24. And is what that allows me to do is I can now reach up here and get to all of those shelves, even with the bench being there. Is what I found is I used to have a bunch of stuff stacked against the wall and I could never get to those cabinets. And then once I put this workbench in here that wasn't sticking out so far, I could actually use the cabinets. So if you're gonna use cabinets, make sure that the stuff in front is not so far out that it's prohibiting you from using your cabinets. So anyways, that's all I got for this time. It's been a fun little project. So just kind of an idea of maybe a more optimal way to set up your shop if you are thinking about building workbenches or making carts that move. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.